Hello, this is Adam Rayner for Talk Audio TV in the first video I'm making for AdamRayner.net. I'm thrilled. I'm sitting in a car belonging to a man called Mike, who you will only hear the voice of. Hello, Mike.
Hello, Adam. How are you?
I'm very well, geezer. Now, if I move my hands, what's going on here is the first two of a three-way set of the new JL Audio C7 speakers, yes?
That's correct, Adam. Yes.
And these are the first in the country, aren't they?
First in the country, first in Europe.
Ooh.
So we're excited to have them,
And,
for sure.
And of course, you know, I want to hear them. And now there is a collection of tracks which are absolutely going to kick my man boobs off, but in order for you to see what my reaction is to the dynamics and how good this stuff is, well, I've got to pick a piece of YouTube music that won't get me a copyright strike. So you'll see my reaction after the music. But first off, well, I also do videos about catapults, so when someone hits something well, I like to use this sound effect, which is, it's from the YouTube music section. It's called Big Gunshots Close, and it's an absolute beast of a dynamic track. So let's try this. Here we go. Press that. Turn it up, Mike. There we go. Crank it. Go on. Holy mother! I'm sorry. There's me going, oh, I planned my reaction. I nearly myself. Sorry, flipping heck. That's bonkers. Let's hear a little bit of action too. I tell you what was interesting is that in just the same way that people play Posh and Hi-Fi on YouTube, Tinkle Smash, let's have that one again. I say that's humour, half pipe. Oh gosh, no, let's have something a little bit more sensible on this. Here we go. Let's. There's a couple of tracks that I've been using. Here we go. Iridium Right, Rural Stride. This is a bit naff, but I use it for other things. Let's have a little go on that. I actually know the sound of this thing because I've been. That's quite remarkable. I can hear how badly compressed it is. I can hear it's coming through the eye of a needle. On those big gunshot things, I can actually hear a little bit of a crackle in the background and some bird song behind it. That's amazing. Right, well, I'm going to have to play me some tunes where you will get a jump because, frankly, I'm just going to have to cut that the heck out or I get to, you know, not be at risk of making 5p if you click on an ad. Come on up, play me something awesome. You know what my tastes are. There's been a heck of a disc of sale. Give me this little evil grin here. Yes. So tell me, these full set of these installed, how much, mister?
Well, these are a three-way setup. Recommended retail price.
Thick end of 500 quid a driver, aren't they?
Yeah, a little bit. We're looking at a £2,000 retail.
Really?
For a full three-way.
Do you know what? That actually makes them 500 quid cheaper than the only other sort of set of three-ways that's at that kind of level from the other brand I've raved about in the past. Thank God they're still around too. But okay, we're now on USB 1. The era of the disc is dead. Let's have a little shifty through here, though. Okie dokie, there's some interesting tracks here. No yellow. He says, I'm lying. I'm talking absolute piffle. No yellow. Mike's smiling. Here we go. Goosebumps. That's a track from an album called New Mix in One Go, 1980 to 85. It's been around since the very dawn of my career. I recall very early on going to a hi-fi show at a hotel that in the Heathrow, and depending on whether you call it the Penta, the Ramada, would actually say what generation of hi-fi person you were. And one year that track was being played, The Race by Yellow, out of every single room. There's odd little bits in there that you will only hear if the resolution is incredible. Right at the beginning of one of those shouted things in the background, there's actually a noise from somebody's lips. It's in there, it's in these speakers, and that only happens when they are absolutely the bloody best. I can tell you that Mike's taste is a little hooliganistic. I think I starved the band by turning the bass down a little bit, the mids up and cracking it, didn't I?
You did.
You did, geezer, yeah, man. You thought it was a flipping hooligan. Oh, a bit these are hi-fi for your car, and I think they're worth every bloody penny. I've heard them for a moment flat, and I'm telling you, JL Audio have done one hell of a thing. And I dare say, I think they're overpowering clarity that makes them a blank canvas. So it doesn't matter. I'm getting a sage nod here from the man. Whether you like rap, yellow, or a bit of opera to make you weep because it's so beautiful. I think these speakers will probably deliver. Bloody hell. Thanks, Mike. That's awesome.
No problem, Adam. Thank you.
It's Adam Rayner signing out for Talk Audio TV, but before you actually stop watching, let's go and have a look at the mayhem and the beauty that's installed in the boot of this here car this geezer gets to drive around, and I'm so bloody jealous. It's awesome. Righty-ho, I have my camera stuck right in the boot of this here vehicle. And I can tell you that this lovely boot install is done by one of the finest in the entire industry, Oxford Car Audio, and the man they call Lem in charge. Just gorgeous. Look at this kit. But the hilarious thing for me, and the reason I was gently turning the bass down a tad, is because, well, Mike can have what he wants as, you know, crucial cog at JL Audio. He can say this. Actually, there's two of them. Yeah, go on, turn it around, Mike. Let the punters see the fact that there's one of those drivers on each end. So that's a passive box. There's what's coming from an amplifier for that. Or is that an active amplifier?
This is a passive 212 W6 woofers running off a 1001 mono XD.
That would explain why the bass was oppressive in there. God, you lucky geezer.
Very lucky.
Nice. Fabulous. Oh, I want it.